Probiotics promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria and have been linked to a wide range of health benefits. But the most important of them all is boosting the immune system. But probiotics can be expensive as well. The good news, you can make one at home at no cost. With this DIY fermented veggies probiotic recipe, you can boost your immune system and fight viruses and infections. This recipe uses cabbage, which is very common at home and you can buy anytime. Carrots and beets are also used, but don't shy away from adding in parsnips, turnips, radishes, and even the roots of wild edibles like dandelion and creeping bellflower. You can add in herbs and spices as well. Here's a simple recipe you can use to get started right away, using lovely apples to boot. You will need 1 head cabbage, 1 thumb-sized piece ginger, peeled 1 to 2 pieces carrots, peeled 2 large apples, 2 to 3 cups spring water, wide mouth jars. Remove outer leaves of cabbage and set aside. Shred cabbage, ginger, and carrots in a food processor. Place in a bowl. Puree the apples with 2 to 3 cups water in a blender until smooth. Pour over veggies, carrots, ginger, apple, and use hands to press down until completely covered by liquid. Pack cabbages tightly into 2 1-quart jars, leaving a 1-inch space at the top. Roll a cabbage leaf into a cigar shape. Place on top of veggies. Repeat and stuff in 1 to 2 more leaves, then place lid and screw cap on. Set jars on a plate, as they may leak out. Let ferment for 5 to 7 days. Compost the rolled cabbage leaves on top, remove any mold that may have formed, and store in the fridge. Eat 1 to 2 tablespoons or up to 1/4 cup daily with meals. This recipe is packed with natural probiotics that will boost your immune system at almost no cost. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative health-related videos, regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.